In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image Notion. If you've ever dropped an image into a Notion page and wished it were just a little smaller to save space, or a little larger so the details stand out, this quick walkthrough will make that effortless and precise. First, head to the Notion website in your browser. Once you're there, open the page that contains the image you want to adjust. This can be any page in your workspace, your notes, a project document, or a gallery page. Give the page a moment to load so the image fully renders. That way, resizing feels smooth and responsive. Now, move your cursor over the image. You'll see that Notion highlights it and makes small handles visible at the edges or corners. Click and hold on a corner of the image. With the mouse button held down, drag inward to make the image smaller. As you do this, you'll notice the text and other blocks around it gently reflow to accommodate the new size. If you go too far, simply drag back outward until the image feels right for your layout. If you want the image to be larger, do the same thing in the opposite direction. Click a corner, hold, and drag outward. The image will expand while keeping its proportions intact, so it won't look stretched or squashed. Watch the surrounding content as you resize. Growing an image can be helpful for clarity, but you want to keep room for the rest of your content to remain readable. A few practical tips as you adjust. Go slowly and watch for the point where the image feels balanced with your text. Small movements can make a big difference. Notion maintains the aspect ratio for you, which keeps your image looking clean and professional. If the page has columns or narrow sections, the image may stop growing once it reaches the available width. That's normal and helps keep your layout tidy. Also, if you've inserted a very small original file, enlarging it too much can make it look soft. In that case, a moderate size usually looks best. When you're happy with the result, release the mouse button and continue editing as usual. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open your page, click a corner of the image, and drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it bigger. With this simple technique, you can tailor your visuals to match the flow of your content and keep your pages clear, readable, and visually consistent.